Hey yo, welcome back to another episode of Plant-Based Planet. I'm Kwame Love, and the star of today's show, taking it all the way back to the motherland, the yam. Or some people call it the sweet potato. All right, let's go. All right, y'all, so today on Plant-Based Planet, we're doing a staple in my crib, and that is the yam. So a lot of my friends, they ask me, yo, Kwam, how you say so thin? You know, we over 50 or whatnot. And so I just tell them, yo, the secret to my diet is the yam. So just some good old baked yams. So check it out. All right, so here are our ingredients, and this is all you need. As you can see, we just got some, I think these are sweet potatoes, not necessarily yams. There is a difference. Maybe yams are bigger, I don't know, but I think they both came over from Africa. Anyway, so we're gonna peel our yams. It's actually better to keep the skin. That's more fiber. And I'm gonna show you how we're gonna cut them. We're gonna sprinkle them with some cinnamon, and we're gonna put coconut oil in our pan. And coconut oil, I love coconut oil. It's great for the skin. You can use it on the outside of your body, as well as it's even better on the inside of your body. All right, so we're gonna start peeling, because my son loves it with the skin off, of course. So, you know, we're gonna do it with the skin off. All right, let's get into it. All right, so here we go. We're gonna chop these bad boys up, and we're gonna cut them into rounds, just like this, okay? We're gonna cut them into rounds. And you know, you can cut them however you like yours, but I like these rounds. Every once in a while I change up, and also every once in a while I will also mash them up and make sweet mashed potatoes. You know, just whatever I'm in the mood for, or my family. But I'm gonna tell you right now, yams and sweet potatoes are great for if you're very active, you work out a lot, and you know you want some good carbs. This is, in my opinion, one of the best carbs on the planet you can get, because it's got good sugar, really good sugar, right? All natural sugar, nothing processed or made in a laboratory or run through a machine. It's got great fiber, right? Especially if you leave the skin on. And it's just a great starch. Because you know you want your starch when you're working out a lot. You know, like this will fill you up. And when you're plant-based, like we are, man, you want to avoid eating too many starches like pasta, white rice, right? White potatoes, like me with those French fries. And I love me some French fries. You want to avoid too much of that. And so yams are my go-to, because I also have a sweet tooth. And you know, diabetes runs in my family. It runs big in the black community, period. You know, so I would normally be suffering from high blood pressure right now and diabetes at my age. And I started to actually have to go to the doctor for it back when I turned 30. But now 20-something years later, we have somewhat beat it. And yams are a big part of that. All right, so now we're gonna, and you see we low on the cinnamon. We're gonna take some cinnamon on here. Cinnamon is also Has a lot of great health benefits. And now we're going to add us some coconut oil. And we add coconut oil for a few reasons. One, just so you know, our yams, they're nice and juicy, right? Get that oil in there, makes them cook up real good when you got that oil in there. And don't be stingy with your coconut oil. I just spread it because it's going to melt and go down to the bottom of the pan where it needs to go. All right. But like I say, a lot of health benefits in coconut oil. Spread this around, especially when you're over 50, y'all. You want to stay away from processed vegetable and animal oils, right? Health is wealth. All right, so there you go. We can take our remaining oil, rub it into our skin, because it's great for your skin. And now a staple. This is a staple in any black home. Especially growing up in the South. Growing up in North Carolina, you gotta have some tinfoil. And so we're gonna put our tinfoil on here like this. Set our oven to 350. And for a time, we're gonna do 1 hour and 30 minutes. So we're gonna do 90 minutes. All right, 90 minutes, y'all. All right, y'all, so our yams are ready. We just took them out the oven. Let's check them out. Ooh-wee. Yeah, so there you have it. And you know the great thing about these, my son loves these. He's 8 years old, he loves these. They're sweet. We added no sugar, we didn't add any honey, no marshmallows, no raisins, none of that. Just some cinnamon and some coconut oil. And we could mash these up and make them real creamy and smooth and make some mashed yams. But we're gonna eat them just like this, y'all. All right, I wanted to give you all a quick shot of our meal today. And so we got our yams that we just took out the oven. We got some cauliflower rice. And remember that spicy garlic salad dressing with the cilantro? We got that on top. We got some fried beets with some more of our spicy garlic dressing on top. And I just had a few string beans left over that I threw on my plate. All right, let's get it in. Hey, y'all, plant-based planet.